Hello, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako si Pastora Loy Fulgencio. Welcome po. Ito ang pre-marriage counseling. Pag-usapan natin kung paano ang mag-apply ng lisensya o marriage license. Marami yung tumatawag sa akin para magtanong kung paano mag-apply ng lisensya. Kaya nga itong opportunity na to na nasa sa YouTube tayo, meron pong step-by-step procedure ang pag-apply sa marriage license. Step 1, apply for marriage license. Step 2, register for PMO. Step 3, PMO session. Step 3A, pre-marriage counseling session. At yung last ay submission ng Certificate of Compliance at Certificate of Marriage Counseling. Step 1, application for marriage license. Contracting parties apply for a marriage license at the local civil registry office. Local Civil Registry Office informs the contracting parties of the requirements in applying marriage license, including attendance to the pre-marriage orientation session, and directs contracting parties to the PMO Secretariat to get schedule of PMO sessions. Contracting parties with one or both parties are 18 to 25 years old are informed that they are also required to attend the pre-marriage counseling session. Step 2, registration for the PMO session. Contracting parties register for a PMO session at the City Municipal Population Office, which serves as PMO Secretariat. City Municipal Population Office administer the marriage expectation inventory form to the contracting parties and provides the schedule for the PMO session to the contracting parties and schedule the PMC session for the contracting parties with one or both parties are 18 to 25 years old. Step 3, pre-marriage orientation session. All registered contracting parties must personally attend their scheduled session. The PMO session is conducted by the PMOC team members for the minimum of 4 hours. Contracting parties that completed the PMO session will be given a certificate of compliance to be submitted to the LCRO as part of the requirements for application of marriage license. For contracting parties with one or both parties are 18 to 25 years old, they will have to undergo the PMO or PMC session. Other couples may also attend the PMC session on their own will or as recommended by the PMOC team. Step 3A, pre-marriage counseling session. For contracting parties with one or both parties are 18 to 25 years old. Step 3A, pre-marriage counseling session. For contracting parties with one or both parties are 18 to 25 years old. They must personally attend scheduled session. The PMC session is conducted by the accredited PMOC counselor for a minimum of 3 hours. Contracting parties that completed the PMC session will be given a certificate of marriage counseling to be submitted to the LCRO as part of the requirement for application of marriage license. And the last, step 4, submission of certificate compliance and certificate of marriage counseling if required. All contracting parties must submit together with the other requirements the Certificate of Compliance and the Certificate of Marriage Counseling, if required, to the LCRO to obtain their marriage license. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. This is Pastoral Loy Fulgencio, your free marriage counselor. God bless all of you.